Alright, here it is, the unboxing of the Yokomo RD2.0 with the Mercury Sayaka Special S15. This kit comes with the tires, the body, the wing, the chassis, and that's it. Yeah, let's go for it. So yeah, there we go. I'm gonna put this way. I'm gonna open up this box, and yeah, sorry for the shadow. There's a massive shadow in the camera. Let's take this thing up here. Oh my god. Let's put the camera correctly, sorry for that. All right, so here in the box you have the body. The body came unpainted for sure. So you have the body and the wing with the metal, I say those the wing arms or whatever it is, and then there's also some body things in the sides here and here, and here. Oh, here it is, the S15 Mercury Sayaka. Yeah, cool. Let's move on. Here in the bag we have the wheels. It comes with tires and wheels. I don't know what tires are these ones, if they are for carpet, pit-tire, or asphalt or tarmac. But yeah, I love these wheels. They look very nice. And in the box we have a bunch of bags. They are all numbered, so you have bags number 1. We do have somewhere the number 2. Yeah, here's the number 2. The number 3 is the diff. The diff came pre-assembled. However, you have to open up and fill with oil, which by the way came as well. We have the oil for the diff and the oil for the shocks. And then you have this kind of black grease for some of the applications, turnbuckles, and also to for the diff, the rear diff. Yeah, basically it's like a bunch of bags, all numbers. Here we have some, bearings, the adjustable suspensions things. Here is the front bumper. Here we have the rear, the gearbox. We have pinion here. We have all the bearings. That's, everything is per gear as well. And also the motor support here as well. Cool. As you can see, this box I have already opened. I have not assembled, but for this particular car I've got these magnetic mounts for the body. So these are from rckitout.com. This is the rear one I've got in red, and this is the frontal one I've got in red as well. So here it is, more bags, all the things. You have some, the axles, everything here in the box. Also have the chassis. Here's the chassis. This kit is, you know, pretty, let's say basic. It's all plastic, no carbon fiber things, and then just the plastic. But it looks very solid, so that's the thing. To begin, it's okay. You know, rear suspension arms. We do have some tools. For sure, not gonna use this. I really recommend you to have your own tools to build the whole thing. In the bottom, we do have some stickers for the body. So here are the masking tapes for the windows, and we have a bunch of stickers for this body, alongside some manuals and things for how to use it. And that's pretty much it. And yeah, and then another bag of stickers from Yokomo, with like some paperwork, loads of stuffs in Japanese, and then, but yeah, anyway. And then in the end you have like the owner's manual. So here we have a couple of things, recommended tools. The good thing is, like they say, each number represent a bag. So you start with the bag number 1, you got those parts and install it, and you move to number 2, and probably some parts of the number 2 will come from the bag number 1. So it's kind of sequence installation. And apologize for the shadows on the camera, but yeah, it is what it is. Cool. So yeah, there it is. Stay tuned. I'll be doing the assembly of the car. And this is, by the way, it's a project that I'm running for myself. My plan is to build this car slowly. I have no electronics at the moment, nothing. So I need to buy the electronics, like the ESC, the motor. I do have some plans, the list of parts that I'm planning to have, but I haven't bought yet. So I'm gonna build the car first, and then I'll, you know, keep searching for the electronics, for the things. And then yeah, I will be putting all together and testing. And so stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.